Hi, I'm Alex Huang. I am the founder of Hammer House. In actual fact, we always focus a lot on games, gaming and all, but I think what I really want to achieve here is to get more people interested and on board about being serious about art and improving their skills in terms of this aspect of the hobby. Hammer House has been around for about 5 years, a journey that I learned a lot during the entire process. I've come to a point that to say that we've made it this far with a lot of support and a lot of passion along the way. So this event, the inspiration is 2 years ago, I actually thought about running something about art and being really serious about it. After seeing certain international events like Melcom and all, I think why not, as a business, as a shop who's very serious about this, I should come up with an event on my own. So I always thought about a festival theme or a carnival theme. So this year, this is our first event, our inaugural one. In the shop itself, we thought of doing this event where we can gather all the people that we have in our base of customers and beyond to come and participate in a competition for art. So we really want to see what spectrum we can attract this time around, and also understand who are the best in this hobby that we have right now in the scene that Hammer House is in. Okay, the theme of the event is actually invented by marketing manager Mr. Pao. So he wanted to make it like the Oscar Awards, like something to do with filmmaking. So that's the theme of the event, and we can see the artworks depicting that. So the idea is to have open up event, alright, people come in, bring in their own scenes, so their own personalized painted scenes, and from there we judge which is the best kind of art piece. So in Hammer House, right, we have a huge base of gamers. So gamers are people who actually play a lot but paint less, or just paint enough for it to be played. We have a huge base of that, and we also have another base of customers who are very serious about the hobby, who actually paint a lot, experiment a lot with different paints and different techniques. So bringing them together in this event, right, we have a certain, what we came up with is certain guidelines for everyone to read and follow, but yet still being very open about what you can bring. So we were not very specific to a point that only the professionals can do it, then you can come in, therefore ostracizing the gamer person who is just a general hobbyist who's trying to get serious or trying to participate. So I think being open in this event enables that both sides to come in. And our judging criteria also, we will actually manage according to that. The challenges I face would be how much of the response I can get. It's up in the air, it's a gamble, I have no idea. So that's one challenge. Another thing is getting up the rules and getting up the guidelines up that everybody can feel comfortable with. Hence, I'm actually piloting this for the first time in our shop, our dedicated gaming level, where we converted it like a gallery for this particular event. If someone wants to host an event like this, I do encourage you to, because I feel that we need to push more on the art scene in Singapore. The challenge is about the base you can attract, and also the marketing efforts you can make to get awareness for this event for people to join. So I think partnering with a shop, for example, like Hammer House would be a good idea, where we actually have our database of customers, we have a certain following, we can help you to maybe market the event and grow it bigger. But Hammer House will also run this event called Art Fest. Yeah, and this is something I want to do year on year and hopefully grow it and make it even better. For the next year event, what I really want to do is to actually make this event really epic. Epic in a way, I will find a good venue, some place really beautiful where we can actually host this event, do a proper setup where every picture taken is like a work of art itself, which every piece deserves, of course, at these kind of competitions. And at the same time, I would like to garner more people to join it, because I'll get a bigger venue, better marketing, for example, better pictures taken. We're going to do videos and everything. So I will want everyone to join and get all the art pieces publicized online and also offline, where people attend the event.